Good morning. Hi, friends. I miss you guys. It was really nice to see some of you this morning with Rachel in our little Hebrew class. And right now, I'm outside on this beautiful day and getting ready for our next project. So I would like you to go outside. The only thing you'll really need, besides having your shoes on, is a little bag. We are going to collect some rocks, little rocks, for our project today. So I'm just in my backyard, which is really tiny, and I want to show you that you don't even have to go far to find the things that we need for a project. So let's start looking. Here's some. Whoops. There you go. See, one's about this size. So probably one's the size of a grown-up's thumbprint. Oh, can you hear someone in my neighborhood is not happy right now. But I also want to show you some other little rocks you can pick up, like this. And just collect a whole bunch. And I'll see you soon.